Duraflame Firelogs are designed for use in a properly vented, open hearth fireplace. Please read all cautions and instructions on the firelog wrapper before lighting your fire. Use a fireplace grate that has several supporting bars. Bar spacing greater than 3 inches does not provide adequate support and may result in firelog breakage, flare-up, and reduced burn time. Make sure the flue is open before lighting the fire. Without tearing the wrapper, carefully pull outward on the seam to loosen it from the log and create an airspace around the log. Place one firelog on the center of the grate, with the arrows pointing down and the seam on the side of the log facing the room. Light the seam below the arrows. Only burn one firelog at a time and never add wood or any other materials to the firelog. Close the wire screen while burning. If your fireplace has glass doors, keep those open during the burn. A firelog is designed to burn without tending, so sit back, relax, and enjoy the cozy fire. After enjoying the fire, make sure the log is completely extinguished, no flame or smoke, before going to bed or leaving the house. Never leave a fire unattended. Logs that are not completely extinguished can produce smoke after the flames go out. Carefully break up the log at the end of the burn when a small flame is still present. This should allow any remaining log material to burn out. For more information, visit Duraflame.com.